Iran's Kowsar takes flight defending national airspace.
Landing gear retracts into clean flight configuration.
Ground testing complete, aircraft cleared for flight.
Test pilot conducts comprehensive pre-flight inspection.
Successful touchdown completes Kowsar maiden flight.
Welcome to where we build the HESA Kowsar fighter jet.
Manufacturing begins with aerospace-grade raw materials. Every material undergoes rigorous quality testing.
Ultrasonic testing reveals internal material integrity.
Aluminum sheets are chemically cleaned and prepared.
Titanium components are stored in controlled conditions.
قطعات تیتانیوم رسید. موجودی رو بروز کنید.
Carbon fiber prepreg requires frozen storage preservation. Materials approved for Kowsar production begin. تایید مواد اولیه برای تولید کوثر آغاز شد.
3, 2, 1. 10,000 tons forged titanium structural components.
Titanium billets reach 1800 degrees Fahrenheit.
Five-axis CNC machines achieve micron precision.
Coordinate measuring ensures perfect dimensional accuracy. Electron beam welding bonds titanium in vacuum. Surface finishing optimizes titanium aerodynamic properties. Heat treatment relieves manufacturing stresses. Titanium components approved for airframe integration. Carbon fiber prepreg requires precise temperature conditioning.
Automated machines precisely lay carbon fiber layers.
Skilled technicians hand-lay complex composite sections. Vacuum bagging prepares layup for autoclave curing.
Massive autoclaves cure multiple components simultaneously.
.350 degrees and pressure cure composites.
Cured composites emerge hardened and aerospace ready. Precision trimming achieves exact component dimensions.
تایید شد. ابعاد دقیق است.
Titanium frames form the forward fuselage structure. Precision riveting secures aluminum skin panels. Center section mates with forward fuselage precisely.
Aerospace sealant ensures pressurized fuselage integrity. Aft fuselage integrates engine and tail mounts. Pressure bulkheads are precisely installed internally.
Electrical conduits route through structural framework. Complete fuselage section passes rigorous inspection.
Massive wing spars are machined from aluminum billets.
Wing ribs form the internal aerodynamic structure. Precision torque connects ribs to load-bearing spars.
تایید شد.
Carbon fiber skins bond to wing structure. Integral fuel tanks install within wing structure.
Leading-edge precision ensures optimal airflow.
Precision hinges enable flight control surface movement. Completed wing passes comprehensive structural inspection. Ultra-clean surfaces are essential for coating adhesion. نسبت تایید شد. ادامه با ترکیب.
Classified compounds create radar absorbent properties.
Primer coat prepares surfaces for stealth materials. Stealth coatings reduce radar cross-sectors significantly. Edge treatments minimize radar reflection points.
Infrared coatings reduce heat signature visibility.
Controlled curing hardens stealth coating permanently.
Radar testing verifies stealth coating effectiveness.
Infrared coatings reduce heat signature visibility.
Single crystal blades withstand extreme turbine temperatures.
Precision grinding achieves critical blade airfoil geometry.
Massive presses forge titanium compressor discs.
Titanium casings house high-pressure turbine sections.
Precise balancing prevents destructive turbine vibrations.
تعادل تایید شد.
Combustion chamber integrates fuel injection and ignition. Complete engine assembly integrates all major sections. Test cell prepares engine for performance validation.
Fuel rings inject precisely for afterburner ignition.
Flame holders stabilize high-velocity afterburner combustion.
Hydraulic actuators precisely control nozzle geometry.
Ceramic coatings protect against afterburner heat.
Afterburner integrates with main engine sections.
تایید شد.
Nozzle cycles through full actuation range smoothly.
Afterburner ignition delivers maximum thrust augmentation.
Cockpit frame integrates precisely with fuselage structure.
Glass cockpit displays provide critical flight information.
Head-up display projects flight data on windscreen. HOTAS controls enable complete hands-on flight management.
Ejection seat provides emergency pilot escape capability.
Ejection seat installs on precision-guided rails. Environmental systems maintain pilot pressurization and oxygen.
Complete cockpit systems activate for integrated testing.
Mission computers process flight and weapons data. Avionics bay houses critical flight electronics. Flight computers control digital fly-by-wire systems. Fiber optics enable high-speed avionics data transfer.
Inertial navigation provides precise positioning data.
Electronic warfare systems detect and counter threats.
Secure radios enable encrypted tactical communications.
Integrated testing verifies complete avionics functionality.
A HESA radar array contains hundreds of transmit modules.
Liquid cooling maintains radar optimal operating temperature.
Radar installs precisely in nose cone radome.
Infrared sensors detect heat signatures passively. Targeting pods provide precision ground attack capability. Sensor fusion combines multiple data sources. Warning sensors detect incoming missile threats. Integrated sensors provide complete battle space awareness. Internal weapons bay maintains stealth configuration.
Ejector racks pneumatically release weapons safely.
High-speed doors minimizes radar signature exposure.
تایید شد.
Wing hardpoints carry external weapons and fuel.
Weapons computer manages targeting and release.
Missile rails provide power and guidance signals.
Wiring harness connects all weapon stations. Complete weapon systems verify combat readiness. Weapons computer manages targeting and release. Wings mate to fuselage with precision alignment. Critical bolts transfer all flight loads structurally. Tail surfaces install with precise angular alignment. Landing gear retracts hydraulically into fuselage.
Complete engine installs into aft fuselage mounts. Fuel systems undergo comprehensive pressure testing.
فشار برقراره.
تایید میشه.
Complete Kowsar passes comprehensive final inspection. Complete electrical systems power up successfully.
Hydraulic systems cycle all control surfaces.
All avionics systems verify operation on ground.
Engine run area prepared for first start.
پارامترها پایه‌دوری هستند. احتراق موفق.
Engine starts smoothly, reaching stable idle.
افزایش قدرت. پارامترها عادی هستند.
The engine reaches full military power successfully.
Afterburner delivers maximum thrust augmentation successfully.
Ground testing complete. Aircraft cleared for flight.
Test pilot conducts comprehensive pre-flight inspection.
Test pilot prepares cockpit for first flight.
کوسر، اجازه داری به سمت باند حرکت کنید.
تایید شد. در حال حرکت.
Kowsar taxis toward runway for maiden flight.
تایید شد. برخاست موفقیت آمیز بود.
Kowsar lifts off on historic maiden flight.
Landing gear retracts into clean flight configuration.
Flight controls respond precisely to pilot inputs.
ثبات عالی است. کنترل‌ها به خوبی پاسخ می‌دهند.
Successful touchdown completes Kowsar maiden flight.
That's how Iran's HESA Kowsar is built for air superiority.